Hello friends, welcome back to our demi. Today we'll be learning white flowers with knife. First we'll give few lines with green color with the help of knife like this, and then we'll start making the flowers. Now we will load the edge of the knife with the white color and give the strokes like this to make the flowers. Remember to take color every time for every stroke. Now we will give few strokes with brush. We'll be using sap green color, a little light shade of sap green color like this. Today we are learning only white colored flower. Tomorrow we'll be adding few more colored flower to it, and we'll give the finishing touch, which will be the last day of the learning. You can use any other color of your own choice to make the flowers. After this, we'll be adding few more white flowers to our pot. Friends, I am working on many other such videos to give you the learnings of knife painting. You can subscribe my channel and watch these videos. You can learn personally also. I take online classes for this. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe, and friends, please press the bell icon to get the notification of every new video. I'm giving few more strokes with lemon yellow color. Now we will be adding orange color in the center of the flower, the center of the petals, to give it a complete look. Friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also, please like and share this video. Thank you.